Hello friends, welcome back again to the Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video I want to show you something on Dotcoin. Remember the Dotcoin remaining around 20 days now for its listing. The official announcement is already made. So if you're actually new to this channel, please do it to make sure you're following up every follow-up videos we are going to put up here, especially concerning Dotcoin. So do it to subscribe and hit that notification bell, very important. In this video, for those of us who are already mining Dotcoin, I want to show you how to connect your wallet. The system has opened up for everyone to start connecting wallets because very soon distribution will start. Just 20 days from today, distribution will start. So how do you do it? That's exactly what this video is all about. So if you're already here now, you're going to click on portfolio. So I'm going to click there. For those of us who are not yet members of Dotcoin, you can use these few days remaining, just call it 3 weeks, and start mining, please. You can get something. It's very important. So click on portfolio. Now, what Dotcoin is doing is this. You don't just earn Dotcoin, you also earn ton. Yes, they give you, as you are mining, they give you small ton that you earn. So connect your wallet, and this is a Telegram wallet. Now remember, what you are connecting is a ton wallet, and this ton wallet, you can find them either the one on Telegram, or you can use Ton Keeper app, or my Ton Wallet app, or Ton Hub, or the wallet. Some of these wallets, they all work with Ton, like Biggest Wallet, SEPA. All of this can work if you have them. But apart from this one in the wallets in Telegram, one of the ones I must recommend for you is Ton Keeper, please. If you don't have it, you can download from the Play Store. But if you have the one on Telegram, it's better, and that's what I'm going to use. So I click on Open Wallet on Telegram. So see what's going to happen now, because I want to connect it, and it's going to be connected. So it's opening it up. Very, very simple. Okay, Dotcoin wants to connect to Ton. I say, okay, connect wallet. It's connected. I'm back to Dotcoin. So my wallet is now connected in preparation for the distribution. So make sure you are at this stage, at least at this time. Please don't miss it, because if you don't do this, you might just forget it. Or when you're supposed to do it, maybe the mining has stopped and it's already late. Maybe at that time you have network problem or your phone and all that. So do this now, so that once it's time for distribution, automatically the system will distribute your wallet. And that's why it's very important to do this. So if you are new to this place and you are not yet doing this, please, I encourage you, this is the best time to start. 20 days from now, you can still get something meaningful. Remember, this is free, so I encourage you to be part of this. So simply do what we have done now. Start, connect your wallet, and mine as crazy as you can. Get others involved. It's free, and so as you are bringing in some more people, you earn through referrals and increase your balance. So that's the information for you. I'm going to stop at this moment. Do it to like this video, and don't forget to share it. It's a valuable one. Let others know about it. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.